Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about tuple. Tuples are sequences just like lists. The difference between tuples and lists are the tuples cannot change unlike lists, and tuples use parentheses whereas lists uses square brackets. Creating a tuple is as simple as putting different comma separated values. Optionally, you can put these comma separated values between parentheses also. For this, let's start by creating a new file, tuples. And let's assign subjects like English, math, and physics. Let's keep it simple. And then marks, and we will assign marks in list, so 40, 41 and 42. Let's print this. And here you can see that the difference between tuples and lists. So we can also show by using index number. And we can modify lists item anytime by assigning a new value. But if you try to assign a value to tuple, it will give this error. Line 8. Type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Let's try to delete items from list and tuple. And here you can see that here we have error that the tuple object does not support item deletion. So we cannot delete any item, but we can delete the whole tuple. Let's see this. And here you can see that name subjects is not defined. It is because we have deleted tuple. Let's add two more subjects here. And two marks. And here we can see that marks.count 42, and here is the result 1. It is because in the list we have only one item that has a value of 42. And if we change this to 40, then the result is 2 because the 40 is appearing in the list 2 times. And we can also know the index of the list or tuple like this: subject.index math. So the index is 1. It means that the math is at index 1. And for bio, the index is 3. We can also assign this to different variables in a very simple way. Let's copy and paste these values. And let's assign marks to this. And then we write marks in English and we convert this as to your English. Then you can see that the list has assigned values to these variables. This is very helpful. Unpacking of array, list or tuples. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.